Hi, my name is Chloe, and I have been doing nails for the last 21 years, and this is part 4 in my personal nail business series, where I'm talking about how you can make more money as a nail tech who's currently doing nails and probably trying to retire or switch to something else, doing personal nails and doing it easy. And when I say easy, this is what I mean. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create different integrations with these social media websites in order to get your personal nails in front of more potential customers. So for this first integration, I did have to take my personal nail website from Square and put it onto Shopify, because Shopify has integrations with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So what that means is I can actually fulfill all of my orders through Shopify, but have my products literally showing up in the TikTok shop, on the Facebook, not the Facebook marketplace, but like on Facebook shopping, because they do have a shopping platform, and on Instagram shopping. So I pretty much have a storefront for free on Main Street with all these platforms for free because of a Shopify integration. Now, the Shopify integration was really easy to do. I think TikTok might have took me like 20 minutes after everything was really approved to get it on. And this is what my TikTok shop looks like. It carries over the quantity, the details, and the full description and everything. When customers order from TikTok shop, I get my order information literally into my Shopify store. So all I have to do is go into my Shopify store, print out the label, and keep it moving. TikTok currently has, or they're doing free shipping on your order. And you're like, but that means I'm paying for shipping. You are paying for shipping, but they are reimbursing you the shipping costs for each order that is made. So don't worry about that. The plus about having it on that platform, and I'm going to show you some creative search insights, because personal nails are seriously picking up, and you're thinking like, it's saturated, the market is saturated. It's not, babes. It's not saturated. You know how I know? Because they're pushing it, and that's why I'm showing these creative search insights right now, because that's showing you that they want to get more people to put personal nails on there. Also with TikTok shop, you can do live auctions, you can do live selling, you can link your products in the videos by saying, and if you want this set, just go ahead and click below and grab it while it's available. All of that can be done in TikTok shop. Now, the second integration is going to be Instagram and Facebook, and because they work together, very simple. You end up being able to create a storefront on Instagram and on Facebook, and doing the same thing. Your order information still flows through right over to Shopify. In addition to that, the quantity goes over to from Shopify over to Facebook, and you can do the same thing with your videos. So that same video that you can share for TikTok to say, hey, click below and grab this while you can, literally you can use that video 2 places. You can use it on Facebook and Instagram, and you can use it on TikTok, which means you could create less content and have your product linked directly and have the customer shop directly from the platform. It's so easy to do. Now, when you do your order fulfillment, I do want you to put in, because you are going to print out your packing slip, I do want you to put in a little card or coupon in there that says, hey, and for your next order, if they shop directly with your website, they can get XYZ specific little discount. And that will convert them to being on your platform, which makes it easier for you to upsell them later, and for them to get your newsletters and then know when new drops are coming, and to be a continually ordering customer. I want to impress upon you the opportunity that you're getting to be able to sell your products on these websites for free is major. Even with the shift in the economy, people still want their nails done. And maybe they can't come to the salon, or you no longer want to take people in the salon. But guess what? They can still order from you via TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. And you can still make those coins without having to essentially do a ton of work. Because like I said before in those first few videos, you already have all the supplies. You're probably selling right now in the DMs anyway. This is going to make it so much easier for you to generate a significant income with your personal nail business from your ready to ship sets, and then maybe converting those ready to ship people into custom order sets for weddings, prom, homecoming, vacation. You could do bundle deals and things like that. It's such a game changer when it comes to your press on nail business. I definitely don't want you to miss on that money. Now, if you're like Chloe, these little walkthroughs were good, but I need to see this up close and personal. I got you. Down below, you're going to see the link to my press on nail business course. So this course is less about making press on nails and more about getting the strategy and putting it together. You want branded emails. You want a beautiful website build out. You want amazing product descriptions. You want to figure out the integrations easily and see a step-by-step, which I have not seen any step-by-steps for nail techs anywhere else like this. Then you're going to click below. Check out the press on nail business course. This is information that's not offered in anybody else's business course at all, because I'm in a few of them, and this is literally going to be a game changer. Now, if you guys have been watching anything Gary Vee related where he talks about social media and social selling, this is what you want. TikTok in China, their live selling literally is a multi-billion-dollar industry, which means in America there are opportunities, because we're not even where they are right now with us just not being on and being able to do this. There is an opportunity for you to create your own brand of press on nails, not just press on nails, but selling and reaching a group of customers that you probably wouldn't have been able to reach with just basic selling in the DMs. Listen to it. You're getting the opportunity to create your own shopping channel on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You're getting the opportunity for free to go live, showing your process, showing you making people's orders, pulling them into your world, and generating significant revenue. Honestly, this can move you from beyond the table, where you could just be doing press-ons, custom sets, ready-to-ship sets, importing nails and selling them, importing wholesale and selling them. Yeah? Yeah. This will be a game changer for your business. So this is ground level right now. Integrations, website is beautiful, shopping. People love shopping. It makes them feel good. Below, in the press on business course, the sauce is there. Click that link and get started. If you have any questions or want to know anything else, I'm here. I'm already doing it. My website literally launched yesterday and I already have 2 orders. Imagine how big it's going to be by the end of next month, because I'm consistent. If I'm not anything else, I'm going to be consistent with it, and it's easy. The girls are already making money doing press on nails on these different platforms by going live. Imagine how much more money they would make if they went live and also had not just affiliate products linked, because once you get a professional business account on TikTok, and I'll talk about that in another video, you can also get affiliates. Think about how much more money they'll make having their press on nails in the TikTok shop. And these are already done sets. I'm not talking about making custom orders through TikTok shop or through Facebook or anything like that. I'm talking about your already to ship sets, your ready to ship sets, which you probably have a lot of because you just make them. Okay, like I said, put any questions or comments that you have below and I will get them answered. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, we're going to talk about additional opportunities that you can have with live selling that you probably didn't think of. Bye for now.